Fix Outlook high CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Disable add-ins. Some users said that disabling add-ins helped them to reduce the CPU usage of Outlook. Here, untick all the add-ins but one, and click OK. Check if CPU usage went down. If not, try it with the next add-in until you find the culprit. Fix 2. Disable features. Select Calendar on the left. Scroll down to Scheduling Assistant and disable Show Calendar Details in Screen Tip option. Under Weather, disable the Show Weather on Calendar option. Select People on the left. Under Online Status and Photographs, disable the Show User Photographs when available option. Next, go to the Search on the left. Under Results, select Current Mailbox. Also, untick the Improve Search Speed by limiting the number of results shown option. Go to the Advanced on the left. Scroll down to Other and untick the Use Animations when expanding conversations and groups option. Click OK. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Update Office. Fix 4. Repair Office. Fix 5. Run the troubleshooter.